1754 southbound hero, check him out. How about that? Not bad. And that's going to do it for the B790, 41 of the 25th, and we'll do it for the 3841, the 8306, and the X-City Rail, the 3981. Off it goes to Nutrient Hammond to Potash in Hammond, Indiana, via the Indiana Harbor Belt. That's going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin on this late afternoon. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great afternoon. Enjoy the rest of this weekend. See you next time, and we'll see you down the main line. See you, and he's out.